Have you ever wondered what to eat when you're feeling under the weather? Today, we're diving into the importance of nutrition in aiding your recovery from illness. We'll explore 9 potent foods that not only help you feel better, but also boost your immune system. From the comforting warmth of chicken soup to the immune-enhancing properties of green tea, each item on our list packs a powerful punch in helping your body bounce back. So, without further ado, let's delve into the first of our 9 powerful foods. First on our list is the classic comfort food for the sick, chicken soup. This heartwarming dish is more than just a feel-good food. It's packed with numerous health benefits that can help you recover when you're feeling under the weather. For starters, it's an excellent source of protein, which is vital for strengthening your immune system and aiding in your recovery. Moreover, chicken soup has a way of soothing sore throats like no other food can. Its warm broth helps to clear nasal congestion, acting as a natural decongestant, and is especially helpful in relieving cold symptoms. The soup's steam can also aid in opening up congested noses and throats, providing relief from coughs and colds. And let's not forget, it's incredibly hydrating, which is crucial when you're battling an illness. The fluids and electrolytes in chicken soup replenish your body's supply, keeping you hydrated. So, next time you're feeling unwell, consider a bowl of warming chicken soup. Next up is a potent natural remedy: garlic. You may know garlic as a flavorful addition to your favorite dishes, but it's much more than that. Garlic has been revered for centuries for its powerful medicinal properties, particularly its ability to boost the immune system. This humble bulb is packed with compounds such as allicin, which is known to enhance immune function and has shown promising results in fighting infections. In fact, studies have demonstrated garlic's effectiveness against numerous bacteria, viruses, and even fungi. But how do you incorporate this immune-boosting powerhouse into your meals? Easy. Try adding finely chopped garlic to your soups or stir-fries. You can also roast it for a mellow, sweet flavor that's perfect for spreading on warm bread. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, try it raw in a salad dressing for a potent health kick. So there you have it, garlic. It's not just a flavor enhancer, it's a health enhancer too. Remember, a clove of garlic a day can keep the doctor away. Coming in at number 3 is a powerful root, ginger. This fiery root has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, and with good reason. Ginger is renowned for its ability to soothe nausea and vomiting, common symptoms of many illnesses. But how does it work? The compounds in ginger interact with your body's nervous system and stomach, helping to calm an upset stomach and even relieve feelings of dizziness. It doesn't just stop there. Ginger is packed with natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help your body fight off illness and speed up recovery. Now, how can you include this powerhouse in your diet? Simple. Sip on ginger tea or add a few slices of fresh ginger to your broths or stews. You can even grate some into your morning smoothie for an invigorating kick. Remember, it's not just about eating healthily, it's about eating smartly. So don't forget to add some ginger to your diet when you're feeling sick. The 4th food on our list is sweet and soothing: honey. This golden nectar is more than just a sweetener, it's a natural remedy with antimicrobial properties. This means it can help to fight off those nasty bugs that have you feeling under the weather. One of the most common uses for honey when you're sick is to soothe a sore throat. Its thick consistency coats the throat, reducing irritation and discomfort. It's like a comforting blanket for your throat, providing immediate relief. But how do you incorporate honey into your diet when you're sick? It's simple. Stir a spoonful of honey into a hot cup of tea. The warmth of the tea combined with the soothing properties of honey creates a comforting beverage that can help ease a sore throat. Or spread some honey on a piece of toast for a quick and easy snack. Honey is not just a sweet treat, it's also a powerful ally when you're sick. Our 5th food is a popular fruit: bananas. These yellow wonders are quite the powerhouse when it comes to nutrition. They're packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. But what makes bananas a top choice when you're feeling under the weather is their easy digestibility. They're mild on the stomach, making them a safe option when you're dealing with nausea or other digestive issues. Their natural sweetness also provides a quick energy boost, a much-needed perk when you're feeling sluggish from a cold or flu. Bananas can replenish nutrients that your body may lose during sickness, especially potassium, which is crucial for heart health and proper nerve function. You can enjoy them plain, or blend them into a smoothie for a soothing, nutrient-rich treat. Their versatility and health benefits make bananas a great addition to your diet when you're not feeling your best. So when you're ill, consider reaching for a banana. Number 6 on our list is a group of fruits known for their vitamin C citrus fruits. This vibrant group, boasting members like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, is your go-to for a vitamin C boost. Why vitamin C, you ask? Well, it's a powerful antioxidant that enhances your body's natural defenses, helping to protect cells from harmful molecules known as free radicals. But the benefits of citrus fruits don't stop there. They're also packed with fibers that aid digestion and can help you feel full and satisfied. Plus, the high water content in these fruits keeps you hydrated, a key factor in speeding up recovery when you're not feeling well. How to consume them? You can eat them whole for a refreshing snack or juice them for a revitalizing drink. Either way, you're giving your body a beneficial dose of nutrients. Remember, a dose of citrus can do wonders for your immune system. Our seventh food is a probiotic powerhouse, yogurt. This creamy delight is not just delicious, but it's also packed with live cultures known as probiotics. These friendly bacteria are essential for a healthy gut, and let's not forget, our gut health is intrinsically linked to our overall immunity. When you're feeling under the weather, your body is in a state of stress, and the balance of your gut microbiome can be thrown off. Consuming yogurt can help restore this balance, leading to a stronger immune system and a faster recovery. And the best part? Yogurt is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it plain, or spice things up by adding some fresh fruits. Maybe even a drizzle of honey, bringing together the healing powers of two of our power foods. Remember, not all yogurts are created equal. Opt for the variety without added sugars to reap the full benefits. Yogurt is not just a tasty snack, it's a great food for recovery. Eighth on our list is a soothing beverage, green tea. This potion of wellness is a treasure trove of antioxidants, and it's these antioxidants that can aid in your recovery. Antioxidants are like your body's personal cleanup crew. They roam around, cleaning up free radicals and reducing inflammation, which can help you bounce back from feeling under the weather. Green tea is also known to have a calming effect on the mind. It soothes your senses, helping you relax and rest, which is crucial when you're not feeling your best. What's beautiful about green tea is its versatility. Whether you prefer it piping hot or refreshingly cold, it delivers the same health benefits. You might even want to add a slice of lemon for a citrusy twist, or a spoonful of honey for a touch of sweetness and extra health benefits. So, consider a cup of green tea when you're feeling unwell. It's a comforting, health-boosting beverage that's not only good for you but also delightful to sip. Last but not least, it's important to stay hydrated when you're sick. Now that we've covered our 9 power-packed foods, let's take a quick recap, starting with the classic comfort food, chicken soup. It's not just a myth, it's scientifically proven to ease symptoms of cold and flu, boosting hydration and providing nourishment. Next up, we have garlic, a natural antibiotic that strengthens the immune system and fights off infections. Then there's ginger, a superhero in its own right, easing nausea and inflammation while also fighting off bacteria and viruses. We also discussed the sweet and soothing honey, a natural cough suppressant, and a source of antioxidants. Bananas made it to our list for being light on the stomach and helping restore lost nutrients. Let's not forget our vibrant citrus fruits, packed with vitamin C to boost your immune system and keep illnesses at bay. Yogurt, with its probiotics, aids in digestion and strengthens your immune system. And lastly, green tea, a powerhouse of antioxidants that helps you stay hydrated and boost your immune system. While these foods can provide relief and aid in recovery, it's crucial to remember that staying hydrated is equally important. Drink plenty of fluids, including water, to keep your body functioning optimally. Remember, the right foods can do wonders for your recovery. Stay healthy, everyone.